Oh, now. That's where I want to enter now. Facebook community. Walare. Come. Go ahead. I tell you that all what I'm going to say today is going to be step by step. Step by step. Okay? Facebook community. Come. See, pikin when mama and papa bring up way for us. When they use eye, they give sign. They use. And all this sign, children, they when you understand them. Those pikin when they understand the signs of eye, mouth, and nose, they misbehave. They reason word first before they talk. Let everybody love and like this video. They reason where before they talk. They don't talk out of feelings. But this Facebook family, we know they fit the see truth they talk am. But now the lie. Now they take the replace truth. Lie. Let me check my mail. Now we take the replace truth. Bless you. If una fit talk am the way it be for the sweets, una dey manipulate word. It not good. It good say when truth, when somebody they talk, make una know say that person they talk true. When somebody they lie, make una know say that person they lie. Abi they not teach una sign of eye, finger, leg, nose, mouth, ear? They not teach una? No. Una not they replace lie with truth. So we should learn how to. This is another advice I want to still advise everybody. Facebook committees. Learn how to do your findings very deeply before you address any issue. Hope we are still live. Learn how to. I want to check. I don't know that I don't know if we're still live. Are we still live, Bev? Learn how to. So that you will not make mistake. Because whatever that you have said out cannot be withdrawn. Cannot be you can't take it back. Thank you, my dear. You can't take it back. So that is why we need to be more conscious and focused. Then my last advice, before I will enter the last word. Many of you are here today now because I posted on my wall that I'm coming out for Apostle Kassy. That is why many of you are here. Apostle Kassy, I will not talk. I will not talk. I will not talk to you. I will not answer you. I'm bigger than that now. I'm bigger than that. I can't bring myself so low to talk to you. Let this one enter your ear. Make it enter your memory, your kwankwandoska. I'm too big to do that. I can't bring myself so low to talk to you, Kassy. I can't bring myself so low to talk to you. I cannot. I can't bring myself so low. My children will not allow me to talk to you. Since I posted that post, I've received more than 3,000 calls. So, Kassy or Kassy, whatever you call your Kwankwandoska name, go ahead. My upbringing is not the same with your upbringing. God bless you, Apostle Kassy. God bless you. Because I will never talk to you. I will never bring myself so low to talk to any one of you on this Facebook. God bless you, man of God, Pastor Peter. God bless you. I can't bring myself so low to talk to you. Many of my children, where I am brought up from, I'm not even allowed to do that. No. So God will bless you. Kassy, every insult you have poured on me today, may God bless you for it. Thank you. Oh, golly. God bless you, Kenneth. God bless you. My children, I hope I speak your minds. My brothers and sisters also that join me, that is watching me here, I hope I speak your mind. I don't need to answer him. No. Even my husband, he was not here when I read the post, but when he see it, he was so angry. He said I should not answer anybody. Okay? So get that into your memory. May God bless you. I'm asking my children. I hope you guys are okay with my response. I have not seen. And also, I want to also let you know that if you like, insult me from January to December, from December to Kwankwandoska. This seat, I will not answer you. No. I will not do that. So, for those of you that come here this evening waiting for me to reply that Kwankwandoska, many of my children, they call me Mummy, oh, this way, oh, they call you Mumu. Leave her, I be Mumu, I like him. Why worry? I be Mumu, I like her, leave her.
Yeah, good morning, everybody. My name is Apostle Dr. Kassy Chuku. By the grace of God, they call me the Lion Killer, the old firewood, Akara War, the preaching catalyst, the preaching encyclopedia. Prophetess Grace, you say you don't want to insult me. Even though you insulted me, but it's okay. 3,000 people called you not to do a video for me. It's okay. Please, those 3,000 people that call you, look for their account, send them money. Tell them thank you because of what they have done for you. Because you were very wise to have taken their advice. But I'm not a fool. I'm not a fool. Even though you say you don't want to come and talk. We know you very well that you are good in setting people up. And now, and we know very well that you people are good in using police. Yes, now you people are good. You use the police. And I know very well that you people, especially you, I have a past story how you use boys to harass people, to use boys to set people up, to pick them up and do. You don't do that with me. Don't come to Facebook and behave as if you are no problem. You have let go. If you send people after me, oh God, they will tell you the story. And now they will tell you the story. Because I know this style you are using now. This old school format 1987. This style you are using. You are not quarreling. You are not replying me. So that you people can now, as I'm talking now, you people can now sit down and plan with police. How was the strategy to reply him? By arresting him. I know that is the plan. Or to send those boys. Other narcotics, they be being an assassin after me. Yes. That is what you people, that is what you do. That's not what you do. Not really they call the arrest. Like, you are the chief security officer of the arrest team. Now you they lead the team. But let me tell you, it's a pity that Igara people could not speak for their sister, Igara in Edo State. How you mess their sister up. How they mess. Listen, if you be Igara, not talk to me again. No. But then I go correct the error where Prophetess Grace give you now. They talk. We are disciplined. Our father taught us not to do this, not to do that. You sure? You sure? I know it taught you people. Maybe the side where you talk, where they teach you now, go now the police and to use court boys and assassin till they follow people up, or to form allegation for person head. But the person talk and person not talk and put up for the person head. I will not want to begin to come here to exchange words with you. The video you did yesterday have already proved who you are. I want to give respect to your husband, who will be able to call you to order. Thank you for listening to your husband. I think you still have some sanity since you listened to your husband. I thought you were out of loose. Pastor Kassy is not a small meat to chew. I always say the truth. My people, what I talk bad. No, let CCTV camera now talk. CCTV camera now talk. Now she says she want to reply me. She want to reply me now. She go disgrace herself. I want show her something. We go shock her. The way she did the talk one. Number two, I want her to sing a special number to me to tell you the kind of Christianity that she have. Number one, the kind of Christianity that she have. She is singing man praise in the place of God. Make her listen to the music where she wants to sing for us. Prophetess Grace, give us one special number. When I listen to special number, when I listen to the word where she use. Now tell no person we no Bible. Cut and make Christian. Get out.
I got Ibu Shuku, Ibu Gimado. Ibu Shuku, Ibu Gimado. My lovely mother, Ibu Shuku. My love, Ibu Chivo. Wamo, Ibu Shuku, Ibu Gimado. I wish it's my app I'm using now.